In this video, we're going to look at how to output something to the screen. So we're going to look at three methods, and they're actually kernel methods, so you don't have to put anything in front of them like a class or anything. So they're class, the kernel is the class. And the first one is put s, or puts string, and it prints out to the screen in this case, but you can also print out to a file. We'll see that in other videos. But it prints out whatever the string following the method call, it prints that right out. So if I go ahead and run it here again for you, you can see it prints out hello. Now the next one, put C, prints out a character, an individual character. You can see that's the E here. And finally you have a print, and that prints out the hello. And there you can see the hello. Now you can also see the difference between the puts, and the print. The puts automatically puts a line feed carriage return after the string that it prints out, whereas hello, the print, in the case of this hello here, doesn't. And so whatever comes after it is going to go right on the same line. So you can use that when getting input and having like a character prompt or those kind of things. The print comes in useful for that. Now you're not limited to just putting straight up strings in here. We can actually print out variables and stuff. So let's say we have I, and I'm going to just do puts I, and let's try that and see what happens. So you can see that put out the I. It converts it to a string actually first is what happens if you want to know. But there's actually another way to do this too. As long as you're using these double quotes, you can put in here and have that evaluated like that. And now if we run this, you'll see it has that hello and then 1, 2, 3 because we're evaluating inside of here. And we talk about that more in other videos. You can do the same thing anywhere that you have these double quote strings. So even when you assign this, say instead of doing a puts here, we did a string equal, and then down here we have a put string. Let me get rid of this stuff and run that. You see it still evaluates it properly and then assigns it. So that's just a few ways to print out some simple things to the screen to get some output to whoever's using your scripts or your Ruby programs. And these files, you should know, are available as working files with the videos on the DVD or available from download via the VTC website if you have an online subscription.